Alright guys, today we have a 2013 Audi A8 with a 3.0 T motor. We're going to be putting a CTS intake. So first step would be to take this little Audi cover off. It snaps right off. It's held by that little thingy there and this one here. And then you'll be able to get a flathead screwdriver to take this band off. You're gonna pop this little hose off back here. This little vacuum hose right here. They just pop it right off. Easy. And you can just slide the intake right off after you take this band on this side. So next, to remove this airbox filter, you gotta remove this plastic shield. You just pop it up like this. There's little tabs in here. Just slide the tabs out. That's necessary in order to access these two bolts holding this sway bar. It's a size 1/2 inch. Use a ratchet, pop it off, slide it out, and you'll be able to access this stock airbox filter. Next, you just slide it out. Now, you have to remove this box. It's held by here and here. So you technically didn't need to take off the top part, but you could have kept it if you wanted to. If not, you're cool. So now you gotta unloosen the band so it can connect to the throttle body right here. And just tighten it. And then make sure to connect this vacuum hose back here. Alright, so now we have to connect the vacuum hose from the intake right here to right here. You gotta find what works best and angle it so you get the right proper airflow. You can't have it kinked and whatnot. Alright, so we connected the holes from the intake to the vacuum hose back here. As you see, we use the clamp.
It just goes in here, right?
Yeah. Next is just to throw the filter on to the intake. And now you just install the bar back on. Then don't forget to install this plastic trim back in. And now this is the finished result. Looks cleaner. I'll get your little sound clip in a second.